Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the given problem. Express the following numbers in decimal. Here the given numbers are binary, hexadecimal number, octal number, 5 number system number, 12 number system number. All these numbers has to convert in terms of decimal number system. Let us start with the first one. Base 2 means this is a binary number. Let us rewrite the given binary number 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 with the base 2. Here this is the floating number. This floating number is having two parts. Before decimal part we called it as integer part. After decimal point we called it as fractional part. To convert this binary number into decimal, we have to apply binary weights to each and every binary digit. Now, for integer part, apply the binary weight from LSB position, from this position. For fractional part, apply binary weights from MSB position. Okay, so this is starting with the 2 power 0. This is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. For fractional part, it should be 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4. Then multiply each bit with the corresponding weight and then add all these. 1 into 2 power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 3 means 0. So that need not to write. Next one, 1 into 2 power 2 plus again 0, again 0 in fractional part also. Next one, 1 into 2 power minus 2, again 0, leave it. Next one, 1 into 2 power minus 4. Now simplify this equation and get the answer. So 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 means 1 by 4. This is 1 by 16. This value becomes 22.3125 with the base 10. This is our hexadecimal number for the given binary. Okay. In the same way, we can convert the next numbers into decimal number system just by applying the weights of corresponding radix value. Suppose if you take the second example, this is the hexadecimal number. When we are applying the weights, we have to write it as 16 power 0, 16 power 1. For the integer part, for the fractional part, this is 16 power minus 1. In the same way, for octal system, 8 power 0, 8 power 1, like that. Similarly, 5 number system, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, like that. Similarly, 12 number system, it is 12 power 0, 12 power 1, and 12 power 2. Okay, let us solve the second bit. Let us rewrite the given number 16.5 with the base 16. This is the hexadecimal number, floating number. We have to convert in terms of decimal. So that apply the weights of 16, 16 power 0, 16 power 1. For fractional part, it should be 16 power minus 1. Now multiply 1 into 16 power 1 plus 6 into 16 power 0 plus 5 into 16 power minus 1. Now simplify and we'll get the decimal value. This is 16 plus 6, 16 power 0 is 1. So that 6 into 1 is 6. This is 5 by 16. Its equivalent value should be, the answer is 22.3125 with the base 10. This is our answer. Okay, the second bit. In the same way, for the third bit also, let us solve here. Let us rewrite the given number 26.24 with base 8. Apply 8 power 0, 8 power 1. This is 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2. 2 into 8 power 1 plus into 8 power 0 plus this implies 16 plus 6 plus 4 by 64. The answer should be 38.0625 with the base 10. This is our answer for C bit. Okay. Next, for D and E also same. Let us take the D bit 4310 with the base 5. This is the 5 number system. 5 number system means each and every digit of this given number should lie between 0 to 4 only. Okay. Total number of digits should be 5. And there is no fractional part, so that it is an integer number. Okay. Now apply the 5 power 0. This is 5 power 1. This is 5 power 2. This is 5 power 3. 4 into 5 cube plus 3 into 5 square plus here it is 0. 0 into 5 power 0 is 0. Okay. No need to write. This gives rise to 500 less this is 75 plus 5. It should be 580 with the base 10. This is our answer. The same way, last bit, okay, 198 with the base 12. Same way, to 12 power 0, 12 power 1, 12 power 2. This gives rise to 1 into 12 power 2 plus 9 into 12 power 1 plus 8 into 12 power 0. Then write the equivalent value. 8 plus this is the 12 power 0 is 1, so that its value is 8. The total should be 260 with the base 10. This is our answer. Okay. I hope you understand this problem easily. Right. Thank you.